About how to make a parallel connection the solar panels. So I have two panels are there. One is each is 50 watts and second one is also 50 watts. So we're going to connect in the parallel. So how the parallel connects here? How the parallel connects here? To connecting the solar panels in the parallel connection. So we need to make all positives connected one side and all negatives connected in the second side. Understood? So all positives are connected one side and all negatives are connected to the second side. There are two panels are there. All positives are connected and all negative terminals are connected one side. You see this is a single panel. This is the single panel. Okay. So if you see this, if the rating of this panel is, this is the rating of the panel is there. This is the rating of the panel. It is around 50 watts. This is around 50 watt. Now we're going to connect the parallelly. To connect the parallel here, the panels make two positive wires. Take the two positive wires. Okay, connect each other. అరే స్టెప్పర్ లేదా స్టెప్పర్ లేదు చిన్నది ఎందుకు రా స్టెప్పర్ తీసుకుని వచ్చారు కదా మీరు రే స్టెప్పర్ ఏది మీ దగ్గర స్టెప్పర్ తీసుకొచ్చారు కదా స్టెప్పర్తో తీయది ఉంది కదా చేతిలో స్టెప్పరు చూశాను రే రండి స్టెప్పర్తో తీయండి అది సో హియర్ టేక్ ద పాజిటివ్ టెర్మినల్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ టెర్మినల్ ఓకే టేక్ ద పాజిటివ్ టెర్మినల్ నెగిటివ్ టెర్మినల్ okay here have a two panels are there. So this is the negative are connected here. See this, the negative wires are connected here. See this, both negative wires are connected to the solar panel and have a two positive terminals are connected in the solar panel. Okay, this is the parallel connection. So take this both output at the both at positive and negative. Okay, at the positive and negative. Connect the positive terminal at the positive probe and negative terminal at the negative probe. Okay, negative probe. Okay, now done. Here the voltage here. See this. So the voltage is around 19 volts. What is that? 19 volts. So around 19 volts. Why you are getting here? Because when you connect in the panel, the voltage becomes same. Each panel voltage is around 18 volts. So the same panel output voltage is the. So when you combine two also the same voltage will be constant here because it's showing the 18 or 19 volts. So voltage is constant here. So when you put in the current, okay, first switch off and change the mode to the current mode of the multimeter. Then switch to the 10 ampere mode. And what is the current here? Now see here, clearly seen here. What is the current here? 3.89 ampere. 3.89 or 3.89 ampere. Each panel now showing 1.8 ampere. This both currents are 1.8 plus 1.8 become 3.9 amperes. Now, so clearly seen this, when you connect both panels in the parallel, the current will be doubled here because if you have two panels are there, the voltage is same. Okay.